Hey, what's good, man? What's good? What's good, everybody? Listen, man, I'm out here. As you can see, it's a sunny day out here, man. And I got both my XL rides right here. This one's the 09, and this one is the 2012. A lot of people always ask me, JT, you always talk about XL. What are you talking about, man? Why you always got an XL? Why you always get to talk about XL? Well, look, I'm gonna tell you this. First of all, this 09, this is the first one I got. First of all, I did my first Uber ride January 3rd of this year, 2018. So technically, I haven't been driving for a year yet. So it's the 24th now. I don't know how the rush is. I don't know how to what's going on or how busy it is on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day for that matter, because I've never been in this position. But what I'm gonna do is clean both of these bad boys up, because on this one, this is the 09. I bought this one first, and keep in mind, when I bought this one, I was doing pool, shared, I was doing everything, and it dawned on me, man, these little bitty rides is not worth it. So I decided to go to the airport. I sit out at the airport, the queue, for like an hour just to find out this van, this is an 09. It doesn't even apply for airport runs. So you know what I did? I was pissed off. Keep in mind, I sat out there for an hour. I was pissed off, and what do? I went and got a 2012. So basically this van, I got this van by default. But this one I got just because I was angry because I couldn't do airport runs. Now that I can do airport runs, I don't do airport runs. Go figure. Man, sitting out there that long time waiting on a ping is just ridiculous to me. That's my opinion. Some people do it, some people enjoy it. Do you, that's you. But me, I can't do it. Well, anyway, man, so yeah, but the weird thing about it, you know how Lyft, after a certain, if you wasn't grandfathered into the program where you can only do Lyft Plus, it was Plus at the time, it's XL now. You couldn't get on that option where your app was just set on Lyft Plus or Lyft XL. So what I did, I told Lyft, look, man, I bought this van it's a town and country. Both of them town and country, but this one has more features in it, so it's a little luxury. But I told Lyft, look, I got two minivans. I can use this one for my shared. Now, Uber, you can separate them, so I wasn't worried about Uber, but this one, told Lyft, look, I can do all my shared and stuff with this one. And but this one is my nicest van, and I will not be doing no shared pool and none of that stuff in this van. So we came up with an agreement, man. Some of these companies, man, you just gotta call them and talk to them, man. Be honest with them, be realistic. I can't be burning gas on shared ride on this. If I'm chasing a quest or a bonus or something like that, sure, I'll fire this sucker up, man, and riding this all week. But the weekend, nothing but this, baby. On XL only. I bounce around from Uber Lyft all weekend long in this XL only. You'd be surprised how much money you can make. And don't get it twisted. I stay busy. I think the reason I stay busy because I bounce around from both. To the people that just limited to they can only drive for one of them, man, I'm sorry for y'all, man. I don't know what's keeping you from driving from the other one, but it's not my business. But thank goodness I can actually work for both of them. So I do Uber and Lyft XL and this only on the weekend. Now this, like, XL is slow. XL is slow all during the week. So it's worthless during the week. If you're a full-time driver, you can't rely on XL to, make a decent living. So this is my weekday baby right here. So I'm about to clean both of these suckers up. And, see what I can do, see what's popping, man. It's the day of the 24th, tomorrow's Christmas. I don't know how busy it is. I don't really care, but my baby a little dirty. See what I'm saying? So, I got junk everywhere, so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I don't want no bad reports. You know how people is, so. I don't want this video to be long, but yeah, this how I roll, man, XL style. So let me clean both of these suckers up, and I will get back with y'all later. Thanks for watching.